The first use are stem cells, and they're totipotent, and they're put into houses by the sorting hat. In Ravenclaw, the stem cells become neurons. First, they become progenitor cells, which are pluripotent, before they specialize into neurons. Hufflepuffs are skeletal muscles. Slytherin is red blood cells, Gryffindor are cardiac muscle. In class the next day, Harry attacks Malfoy with the spell. Specto Patronus.
The stimulant binds with the receptor protein and sets off a signal transduction pathway, stimulating a cellular response. In this case, making the cell membrane invisible so we can see inside. The cytoplasm makes up the intercellular space, and the cell contains a cytoskeleton of microtubules, intermediate filaments, and microfilaments that give structure to the cell.
The nucleus separates the DNA from the rest of the cell, and the nuclear pores allow stuff to go in between it. The roughy yard synthesizes proteins, and the smoothie yard synthesizes lipids. The Golgi apparatus serves as the packaging and storing part of the cell. The vesicle contains proteins. The mitochondria makes energy for the cell in the form of ATP, and lysosomes break down cellular waste. Ribosomes make proteins, and the phospholipid bilayer is the selective permeable membrane that protects the cell. And the scary corridor with three-headed dog, ... Rawr.
Okay, so there's that stuttery guy with the turban. And the DNA replicates in mitosis. And then the nucleus breaks down. The centrioles align. Ribosomes align in the middle. Then they pull apart the sister chromatids. Then there's massive cleavage. And then two daughter cells are formed, and they're identical. And then the nucleus reforms, and then the DNA becomes less condensed. Then Voldemort casts an apoptosis spell on that guy with the turban. So the death receptor binds to a signal molecule, and then the cell breaks down, proteins decompose. It gets all bloody, and then the webs break off, and then the phagocyte eats them, which is fluffy. And that's so accurate. The end.